sit with the truth when you're living a lie. You hear me? The truth gonna always hurt. And it will set you free. But it's gonna hurt first. See what I'm saying? They're afraid of that. They're afraid of the hurt. See what I'm saying? How can you grow if you do not accept the truth? Keep on lying to yourself. Remember, we got the ability to create our own reality. There's one thing to create a reality of a deception, and there's another thing to create a reality of a truth. Be true to yourself. That's the only way you can rise. But they don't know how to do that. They don't know the truth from a lie. They'd rather you lie to them than to tell the truth. That goes to show you how backwards they are. I don't give a fuck how you feel about this truth I'm speaking. That's on you. That ain't my business.